Hey everyone, welcome to my daily morning healthy routine. I'm excited to share with you some of the habits and practices that help me start my day off right. First things first, I always start my day with a glass of water. Hydration is key to staying healthy, and it's especially important after a night of sleep when your body hasn't had any water for several hours. I like to add a slice of lemon to my water for some extra flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Next up, I do some stretching and light exercise. This helps me wake up my body and get my blood flowing. I usually start with some simple stretches, like touching my toes or doing some neck rolls, and then move on to some more active exercises, like jumping jacks or squats. After that, I like to spend a few minutes meditating or practicing mindfulness. This helps me clear my mind and set a positive intention for the day ahead. Sometimes I'll use a guided meditation app or video, but other times I'll just sit in silence and focus on my breath. Once I'm feeling centered and energized, I make myself a healthy breakfast. This usually consists of some eggs, whole grain toast, and a side of fruit or vegetables. Eating a nutritious breakfast sets me up for a productive day and helps me avoid unhealthy snacking later on. Finally, I take a few minutes to write down my goals and priorities for the day. This helps me stay focused and motivated throughout the day, and ensures that I don't forget anything important. And that's it for my daily morning healthy routine. I hope these tips and habits inspire you to start your own healthy morning routine. Remember, taking care of yourself is the first step towards a happy and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.